Welcome to Deep River Farm. Well, we're still saving seeds, folks. These are the ones that we've put in the freezer, and we want to make sure that we got plenty. So if something happens, look at here, we still got plenty. But that's just not even the half of them. These are the ones we've put in the freezer. And then these are the ones that we're putting in jars. Some of them we've done this year. There's the pumpkin seeds. These are last year's okra, last year's blue lakes, this year's blue lakes, and some of this year's okra. And you think, what in the world are you going to do with all these seeds? Well, we hang on to them. You never know when there's going to be an issue and you're going to need to grow something to eat. And seeds are outrageous. And so I've got my collection of tomato, squash, cucumber, okra, 2 types of green beans, pumpkins. We have strawberries that are stay out year round. And we've got cantaloupe, we have carrots, we have onions, we have all kinds of seeds stored away. And that's something you might need to take into consideration, is to keep seeds on hand. You never know when something's going to happen and you can't get any seeds. So I just wanted to show you what we've been busy doing, and that's storing up seeds. For this year, we've still got some left from last year. So what I'll do is I'll rotate these seeds. And next year, I'll plant from my older seeds and leave the newer seeds in the jars. I appreciate you joining us today on Deep River Farm as we've been adding to our seed collection. Have a blessed day.